हमेशा खुश रहो बच्चिया. I am Jv'n Dr. Trivedi, and today I am going to take the lecture of B.Sc Agriculture second SEM. The subject is Agriculture Microbiology and the session is Biofertilizer. We have already discussed previously also in the session for biofertilizers, but again we are taking this. Now what are biofertilizers? They are products which contain living cells of different types of microorganisms that enrich the nutrient quality of the soil. The main sources of biofertilizers are bacteria, fungi, cyanobacteria and blue-green algae. Most of the bacteria belong to one of the following categories, that is the nitrogen fixing bacteria. So the major phosphate solubilizing and mobilizing and plant growth promoting rhizobacteria. Some of the major biofertilizers are the target crops. So we'll discuss them in a while. Nitrogen fixing biofertilizers, what do? They fix atmospheric nitrogen into form which are readily usable by plants. Now these include rhizobium, azospirillum, azotobacter, blue-green algae, azolla. While rhizobium requires symbiotic association with the root nodules to fix nitrogen, others can fix nitrogen independently. So phosphate solubilizing microorganisms secrete organic acids which enhance the uptake of phosphorus by plants, dissolving rock phosphate and tricalcium phosphate. The arbuscular mycorrhiza are the most common phosphorus mobilizing types that are omnipresent. A group of bacteria that enhance the growth of plant through nitrogen fixation, phosphorus solubilization and plant production of plant growth are promoting metabolites which are known as plant growth promoting rhizobacteria. So another name is PGPR. Now many PGPR strains have a potential to be used as microbial inoculants to enhance the crop productivity. So the major biofertilizers and target crops are given here. So biofertilizer like rhizobium, azotobacter, they target the leguminous crops, the wheat, and azotobacter is on the wheat, maize, cotton, mustard, even vegetables like potato, onion, tomato and brinjal. Others. Azospirillum is on the cereal crops like wheat, maize, millet, sorghum, barley and sugarcane. The blue-green algae is very useful for rice and azolla is also for rice. The phosphate solubilizing microorganisms are present in all plants. The arbuscular mycorrhiza in nursery raised crops and the orchard tree, and the PGPR or plant growth promoting are present in all crops. So the growth in agriculture production in last 3 decades have been accompanied by a sharp increase in the chemical fertilizers. Now this is very serious because excessive fertilizer on the soil and the groundwater can affect the quality of the soil and groundwater. So the use of environmental friendly biofertilizers can cut out this chemical fertilizer, and the biofertilizers have an advantage over chemical fertilizer. What is it? They are very economical, they are cheap and as compared to chemical fertilizer. In addition, they are also adding nitrogen and phosphorus. They provide certain growth promoting hormones, vitamins and amino acids. So this improves the plant health and vigor. Continuous use of these chemical fertilizers adversely affect the soil structure, whereas biofertilizer can improve the soil and the soil structure. So chemical fertilizers are toxic at higher dose, whereas biofertilizers have no toxic effect. So students, I hope you have liked my digital session. If you have any query, please write in the comment section. I will resolve it soon. This digital session was powered by 2.0 version of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you and namaste.